Right, in this video we are going to see how to use MetaTrader 5 in mobile application. In this video I will teach you how to place a order in MetaTrader 5. Okay, if you have downloaded the MetaTrader 5 in Play Store, you can see the application like the front page. What are the currency pairs involved in the first page? Yeah, I have used 3 pairs of currency pair for my trading. If you are interested to add something, click this plus and you can search USD JPY. Okay, it can be added in your front page. Okay, USD JPY have been added in my front watch list. Okay, how to remove? Click the pencil tab, and if you don't need, you can click it. If you click the delete and click it, delete it. Now it had been removed. Okay, next how to watch the chart. I will say how to use chart. Next, how to place an order in MetaTrader 5. First, press a chart. Okay, in this MetaTrader 5, it will show how the chart works and how to use it. In this application you can see cite the current market price in above buy price, what is the buy order, and in the website sell order. Okay, you think you may understand. And sender, it is the lot size. Yesterday I have taken what is the lot size. 0.1 is equal to mini lot. Okay, and then above this is an RMR. You can see how market is working, and this is a time frame. Which time frame I prefer 5 minutes for my mandatory time, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 15 day. Okay, this is the easy method to place an order. If you are using sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. And next video I will upload that what is mean by sell limit, buy limit, and buy stop and sell stop. What is mean by that? Okay, these are the application. If I am using buy limit, when the market come this place, my order will be placed here. Okay, I think you may understand. When the market reaches here, my order has been placed. When I put buy order, my order has been placed by the order. Okay, when my sell limit, I have placing my order in sell limit, my order will be placed. In down you can see. Okay, in this page we are going to see what is the current price, which price you are going to enter. This is the price where you are going to enter for a trade. This is your volume. In the last video I have mentioned about what is meant by lot size. In that I have using this is a mini lot, micro lot. Micro lot. I am using micro lot 1000 unit of currency. In MetaTrader 5 we are using only what volume. Okay. This is stop loss. What will be my stop loss and what will be my target. After ending the stop loss and target, after you can place your order. Your order has been placed. Okay. While placing your order, there are two types of method to place an order. Okay. In this page, what is in your balance, what is equity, what is pre-market. In next video, I will teach you what is in the balance, what is in the equity, and what is in the pre-market. In this video, if you are placing a trade, go to currency pair, new order. Okay, in this video, you can see the volume. The last video I have uploaded about the lot size. 0.01 means mini lot. Okay, by entering a target, what is mean by market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. In next video, I will explain you what is mean by market execution and what is mean by buy limit, what is mean by sell limit. Okay, you may understand. I think so. What is your stop loss and what is your target? And next, how to send demo account, how to log in into your broker. In this video, manage account. Go to this page and click the manage your account and click this plus and add your broker. If you are using the XNS broker, you can search XNS XNS Technology Limited. First one. Go to press, enter your login ID, enter your password. Then login. Your account has been logged in successfully. I think so you may understand. If you are beginner to this, you can use this. And if your trade history, old orders and deeds, okay, these are the old history of this. And if you have doubt in MetaTrader 5, you can comment below. I will explain. Thank you. Upcoming video I will explain about what is meant by balance equity and other videos. Thank you.